Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends, traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin, Forex Trading for Beginners. And those people who know me, for me, already know it's about changing lives and making a difference. Now, if you've been following me for some time, you know I trade inside the Ninja Forex team, one of the live traders there, specialised in gold and indices. Today, I'm going to be an overview of the 500 pips a week club I use with my private clients. You'll notice a few changes because part of that program we have a development team, and if need be, we change things. However, it's always good to come back to the source and tweak a few things. And next week for the 500 pips per week club users, they're going to try something a little bit different and bring you the results on a daily basis. We've reduced the number of trading instruments to focus, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. Here we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, you see down here, forget this one here, gold, silver, US oil, US30, Standard & Poor's 500, NAS 100, and German 40. And on a daily basis, what I'll also do is add in perhaps 2 or 3 Forex pairs so people can learn, take advantage. And one of the things I always like to do is show, that's right, ladies and gentlemen, I always like to show the day before, from top to bottom, so with nothing's hidden. We're using our trading system inside the 500 pips per week club. I'm just going to show you this. Before we go anything further, you notice, ladies and gentlemen, I'm in a 15-minute time frame. That means to you that every single candle is a value of 15 minutes. That's right. And I'm just going to look at yesterday. So you notice we have a red background and sometimes it changes to a green background. Red background means we should have a sell. Green background, we should have a buy. I have a bit of spaghetti, as I call it, down here to aid with confidence people struggling to get in. And we also have a bit more spaghetti, what I like, up here, again, to help. So yesterday market opened at this line here. Between there and there is one full day. I'm just going to go from top to there, and I'm going to end in gold as I've been requested by the members. So background is red, step 1 rule. The candles have changed here to black and blue just for just now. So black means a sell, blue means a buy. So it's under this line. 2. We're under this line here. 3. We're underneath here. 4 underneath here. 5 out of 5. Enter that trade. Now, where will we enter that trade? That's the key. Yeah. In theory, you could enter any of them, but look at this magic thing here called the Ninjacator. Right there, boom, all the way down. Now, the question is, do you exit the trade there as it goes over that, or do you trust the matrix? Trust we're actually just in a small pullback because here everything's red, and we're below. That's right, we're below this incredible bit of technology up here. So from top to bottom, we could have got in slightly earlier with the early intraday, but let's just take it from there and we'll exit where the trend just there. So we're going to measure that number of pips from there all the way down, ladies and gentlemen. It's not a bad number of pips, that. And then it comes back up to there. Let's just call that, for round numbers, 93 pips. So in Scotland, they have this amazing thing called a calculator. 93 pips, just there. I'm now going to move on to the NAS one. Oh, sorry, I'm just going down. I do apologize. 93. A target for 500 pips per week is only 100 a day. And I just a little bit of time about 93. This one here, background is green. We're above this line. This special bit of sauce here. We're above that. We're above that, above that. enter that trade. All the way to the end, 186 pips. So 93 plus 186. Have we broke our target of 100 pips per day? Yes, we have. We've smashed it. Thank you. And the day is not even finished yet. We've still got all this to go through. So let's not bother. We've achieved it. Let's quickly show our risk to reward from there, ladies and gentlemen. From there, I'll drag this out to get a bit of space. This here, for those people watching, and where does this go? Just above that line there. So that line, if there's any wicks above there, 4%. Bear in mind, to pass an FTMO funded account, you need 10% total when you have a month to do that. Here we go. Trade like Jeff. Enter that trade. Let's get some space, ladies and gentlemen. Where would we enter this? Is our stop loss go there? Well, let's just put our stop loss just under there. All the way up there. Another 2.8%. So let's call up 4 and 2, 6, a little bit extra, 7. We've got more spaghetti, we would have passed it. Now, the NAS 100. Let's go to yesterday. Yeah, here. Opens there. Question, what colour is the background? Red. Are we under that line? Yes. Under that line? Yes. We're under that line? Yes. We're under that. Here we go. Short. Enter there. No. Enter there. Or there. I'll pull enter there, ladies and gentlemen. There's here. We'll go all the way down. Spread this out so you can see for a better loss, for a better stop loss. We could put it above there, above that candle, above that one, or that one. It's all about personal choice. You can put it there if you like. Put it there if you like. 7.67%. Thank you very much. Same day, and this is still yesterday, ladies and gentlemen. Same day. Here we go. Let's measure this from there to there. That one goes up to there. We'll exit the trade there. Yeah, get a bit more space to see. You can see it. Stop loss. Let's look at the stop loss. Let's really tune in. Really tune in, ladies and gentlemen. To be honest, I would either put it there or just below that wick. Let's use below that wick there. That's 2.49%. Squeeze that back. Yeah, and you can see. Didn't bring it. Standard & Poor's 500. Here we go. Standard & Poor's 500. Go back to yesterday. It's not hard. It's not difficult. If you use the Trade Like Jeff 500 pips per week club system. So background red. Are we below this yet? Are we below that line? Is that red? Yes. Is this one not really sure? You see that? It comes down. So there it was above there. For me, that there, I feel more confident at that point there. There. So I'm using my NTX tools to support my confidence building entering that trade. Could I have made more of it? Yes, I could. But why get in something you don't feel comfortable about? 2.6%. Then we'll have the buy. So question I have for you. What are you beginning to notice about this system? I'm noticing it's stressful. I'm noticing it's fun but rule-based at the same time. It's fun and rule-based at the same time. I entered there. That told me to exit there or there. At that point, it came down below there, so it's very clear to exit that trade at that point. There or before, when you see that ninja down there. Boom. Thank you very much. The US30, now that had some movement in it, ladies and gentlemen. Now this is the 15-minute time frame. I'm using high Kanashi candles for this, ladies and gentlemen, just to show you this here. Now, next week I'll be showing this off with the amazing harmonic scanner we use in the site, the Ninja trading system team. and how they combine together to create something just incredible. Market opens. What color is the background? Red. Is it below this line? Yes. Tick. Yeah. Wait to come below this line. They're right there. See how I've now lines up? Boom. Perfect. You can't make this stuff up, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about giving you peace of mind with a better entry. That's what's so powerful about this system. I'm mentoring privately people to 500 pips per week club. And then we get one in the opposite direction. So we do nothing. So what color is the background? There. Are we above that? Yes. That there. Stop loss. Now this one's going to be an interesting stop loss. We're not going to use it all the way down there. So let's have a look, see if we have any wicks we could use. There's a wick. If in doubt, just put it below. Or even below there. Put it below there, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at this. Here's your exit there or before, because it tells you there. See that? All up there. That matrix against it. Thank you very much. 4%. US oil. It's not hard, it's not difficult. Sometimes I have to remind myself even how amazing this is. So market opens. It's already in a big uptrend from the day before, so we have to be careful. But everything still aligns up. Possibly, to be honest, a bit nervous getting in here. Why? Because we just had a big push up. I'm going to be honest. Where would this go? I don't know what that line is there, but it looks a good one. But let's put it below there. I see it starts reversing there or there. That would be a small win. Now I did see that it was more of a consolidated day. Exit there, tiny small win. Silver, not highlighted that one. Again, some people don't believe the number of pips that are available with this. Now here's something different. Red background, but we've got this blue underneath. So that's telling me it could consolidate or it could at any point jump up. And that's exactly what it did there. So at that point I feel more confident. Could you trade that? Yes, you could. Let's look at this. That one there. We're now above that line. We're above that line. Green background. We're above that line. We're above that up. And so all of a sudden, boom. Here we go. And a nice tight stop loss. There we go. Risk to rewards. We've already smashed the target in the very first trading instrument, 11% growth. You see why people are getting in the 500 pips a week club, private mentoring program. Now, this strategy, people can get inside the ninjas. The only difference is I'm mentoring people. Now, the people that are not part of the ninjas yet, I always encourage people to get inside because that's where the stuff happens. That's where the real stuff happens. The people in there taught me. I'm just offering other opportunities to people that want that one-to-one. Here we go. Nothing changes. Red background. Tick. Are we under that line? Yes. Consolidation. Flat line. Flat line. If in doubt, trust this line here. The magic line. It turns green. Green background buy. We're above this line. Yes. We're above that line. Above that line. Above that line. Tick. Into that trade. We've even got a famous ninja up. So, I'm sure you have many questions, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you have many questions. Underneath that line at this time. 16% on gold, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday. 16% on gold using the 15-minute time frame. Those people want to learn to trade like Jeff. Unfortunately, the 500 pips a week club is closed. Probably won't open to later in the year, but we still have spots for private mentoring open on a one-to-one basis. Those people that are not ready for something like this, we do have a respect. I've got to be honest, I would always recommend it to become in the ninjas. That's always my first protocol for brand new traders. Get inside the ninjas, our academy. It's the best thing. Absolutely. And I still check in on a daily basis and watch some amazing traders inside there. Paul, David, Brian, many, many more. Richard, new traders with us. Absolutely great. Kevin, learned so much from Kevin. And other traders that came and gone, busy lifestyles, 16%. So let's look at what's possible for today, ladies and gentlemen. Well, let's look at Great British Pound names. I took something from that this morning, actually. If I can grab this, but you can see how easy the 500 pips club members are achieving their success. The day opens. Where's this? It's there. Only enter when it's above that. It's above that there. Why? Because it's there. Green background there, above there, above there. Enter that trade. 100%. Boom. Thank you very much. Deutsch 40. This is today. This is not. Yeah, that's it there, ladies and gentlemen. That was just today. This is an interest. Red background. Red there. Red there. Take that sell. There. Yeah, but where? It's coming up. You would not enter that because the price is actually coming up. Although it says a sell, the price is actually coming up. So you wouldn't do that. That point there, let's just ask ourselves the questions. Are we above that? No. Looks like a consolidated day, to be honest, ladies and gentlemen. We're below that unless it's going to be a sell. I can see that turn around for a sell, to be honest. I know I marked it up for a buy up there, but we'll have to get above that first. The NAS 100. This is today, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing's changed. Same rules. 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. You see, I marked something up there. I'll put that back actually. Okay, red down. Yes, you could have taken that, and at that point there, I'd ask myself questions if you could get in that trade. Why? Because above. That one could be a small loss. I'm going to be honest. This point here, it looks like a consolidated day, or it's maybe come up and retrace back down. That's nice. Standard & Poor's 500. Here we go. So here we go. Red background, sell. We're underneath that tick. This is down. That's down. But look at the shape of that, ladies and gentlemen. It's going up. So it's just getting ready to buy. So could you get in that for the buy? People say, well, in theory you could, because you can see everything going up. But it's all about high probability trading. That's what I encourage people to take. High probability trading. So not inside that one. Yeah, there's been a few adjustments to the technology. There's been a few adjustments. Now here we go here. Red background, but you see there, it's going up. It's going up. Could you get in there? Yes, you could. Yes, you could, but a lot of movement yesterday, and we're still in the Asian range, so I would probably just hold on. The US oil. Here we go. Same, going down. You could have got something out of that. But flat, as soon as you get there, flat line. Going above there, still same. It's too early in the day. Silver. Move this one here. Of the line we're looking for buys, it's coming down. Possibly enter a buy there, but you see there's nothing great moving. It's too early. Well, not. It's not quite. Just too early. I've got an idea of coming down to there, then I'm back up. But rather than just go with my ideas, just tell me what my system says we put together. And lastly, gold. I'd like to take gold to the end. We have many good requests for this all the time. So yeah, we had a great day, 16% growth yesterday. Let's look at today. Now, we're also looking at a different way of looking at the charts inside the 500 pips week club. Some people are deciding to trade a different way, but let's have a look at this way. Market opens. It was green, red. We're above that. Don't entertain. It goes to green. That says a buy. That says a buy. We're above the line of that. We could do. We hit there, and it says no. Rejection. Flat line at the bottom. No trade. So the wonderful thing about this development team, what we're together inside the 500 pips week club, we've put together a system. We're thinking, well, nothing's bulletproof, but as you see, it keeps you out potential bad trades. So the 500 pips week club is closed. I've got to be honest. It is closed, ladies and gentlemen. But you can still get private mentoring. You can still get access to the ninja system that taught me everything I know and get this type of trades on a daily basis. Learn to do it for yourself. So, if this is you, you want to know more, some people have already answered saying, show me more. So I put this together to see what you get inside the ninjas, to see what you get, what's possible. So I'm taking a month's break from the ninjas. February, coming back with a bang, developing a system, building on the V70, smashing gold, indices adding if people wish that. It's possible, it's real, it's happening here. If you're sitting on the fence outside of the ninjas, send me a message. This is for the guys that taught me everything. Way better traders than me. Way better traders than me. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been great speaking to you, and I'll see you at the very top. Bye for now, and have a great day.